Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to solve the error 529 in Roblox with different options. Chapter 1. Check network speed. To begin with, open a browser and verify that you do not have access to Roblox. Now click on the plus sign to open a new tab in the browser. There you will look for the speed test syntax. Open some of the web options that are available, like the one we used as an example. Then you will run the speed test by clicking, in this case, on Start. It hoped that analysis would come to the end. If this analysis results in any value, it is possible that some part of the network communication has failed. Simply refresh the Roblox page and confirm if you now have normal access to all your options. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. Check domain status. To begin with, open a browser and verify that you do not have access to Roblox. Now, you are going to click on the plus sign to have a new browser tab. Then you go to look for the word down detector. You will click on the first result of the browser. Here you can enter directly in the search box the word Roblox, or if you want, you can see if it is already available in the options shown. When you find it, click on Roblox in the options to have a summary of followers in a period of time. If you do not find fall or S, try to update the Roblox site, as it may have been a fall or repentant or at the time of your access. Chapter 3. Change DNS settings. We know that DNS is essential for good communication with the internet, so if it fails, we can change it to a more stable one. We will start by validating that the error is present when trying to open Roblox in the browser. Then, tap the Start button and search for the word network. In the results, you click on View Network Connections. Next, you are going to right-click on the network adapter that you currently use on your PC. In the options you click on Properties. Now select the Internet Protocol in its version 4. Then, click on the Properties button. After this, check the box called Use the following DNS server addresses. There, in each field, you will enter the DNS address of the desired server, and that in this case corresponds to Google. Once you do, apply the changes so that everything is correct. Finally, it remains to test that when updating the Roblox page, everything works correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.